Hi everyone, Alex Gent here. So I'm going to continue with this series of videos looking at training indoors, and today I'm going to be specifically focusing on the clubs and what options we potentially have. In my previous two videos I talk about training with sword and staff inside, and quite often the problem is the ceiling height or the surrounding space. I talk about using the wall and how the wall can actually help you with your technique. So there's a common problem that I see with club swingers, and that's when they're performing a circle behind the head. When they get up into this position, rather than letting the club drop, open the chest out and extend out, what ends up happening is they open the chest out but they don't let the club drop. They keep it on this same level, and if you have a look there, that's where you'd be hitting the wall. Side on, you'd see what happens is they do this type of motion. So the club moves across rather than dropping down and circling behind the body and out. The actual motion, it should be here, it comes up and behind the body and then circled out. You could even do a semicircle behind your head in this type of motion as practice. So as you can see here, restricted space can actually help with clean planes and correct alignment. This can be practiced both with outwards and inward swings. So to form these swings we need space either side. But what can we do in even more limited space? Using the same idea, we can practice smaller circles rotating from the wrist. So I can also practice it on the inside, going both forwards and backwards. We could also train these movements using two clubs, practicing variations using timing and direction. The clubs could be swung in parallel, from the outside, from the inside, and one inside and one outside. So here I'm showing you the movements going forwards, but the direction can also be reversed going backwards, using the three same options. The clubs can also move in the same direction using split time. This means that they'll be facing away from each other as they rotate through the circle. The clubs can also move anti-parallel, meaning they're moving in opposite directions, with cross points either at the top and bottom or left and right of the circle. These movements can then all be put together, creating numerous patterns with various possibilities. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. In my next video I plan to look at some similar concepts but with body movement. Anyway, until then, take care and I'll see you soon.